Hi, my name is Jen.
Hi, I'm Lisa.
We're sisters.
And we do daily vlogs here on YouTube.
Now, we call our audience roadies because we feel life is like a road trip.
All you need is determination and a destination.
2014, we've dedicated this year as our year of change. Because we believe
this year is gonna be better. And you're gonna say this year gonna be stronger. And I'm braver me this year. And I'm gonna make it. Cause I said I would do all the things you said I never could this year.
Hola roadies, welcome to the road trip. So as promised, yesterday I said I was going to show you guys the new grill. Let me show you the new grill. This is the new grill. We got our parents for their anniversary. Oh, you're good. So, look, it's five burners, and it lights up. Can you see it lights up? Lights up. And then it's big old grill. Then you got the little sear thing over here to sear the meat if you wanted to. So yeah, this is the new grill. I still want them planes to take us somewhere, roadies. You forgot a passenger! Send me down a rope! No.
Beat me up, Scotty.
Beat me up, Scotty! No, he ain't coming back. Oh well. Say hi, roadies. Say hi. Say hi, Chunk. Look how big she is, roadies. She is a chunk. No joke. Skinny sister loves this little rabbit so much.
She's not little.
Oh yeah, you're right. She's not little. She fits in perfect. Say hi. Well, roadies, it's actually been 24 hours since the two clips you just saw.
Yes.
And we are about to head out to the casino. Please, in the comment section below, wish us luck. If we win big, tomorrow's vlog is going to be awesome.
And from somewhere tropical.
It's going to be an amazing, amazing vlog.
And if we don't win, well,
we'll be on the deck.
We'll be on the deck.
One way or the other, though, you will see. What are all these little curly cues? Jeez, Louise. I think Heather said she's never seen our hair down. So not today, but
well,
Lisa's hair is
my hair is like super long
and a ponytail
right now.
My hair is just as long, but it look. Have you ever seen The Lion King?
No, here's the thing. Like it's
like
really thick and it's hard like to manage. Honestly, like there's really not much you can, especially because it's so hot and humid.
Right.
Like if it didn't have product in it, I would not look like this.
Have you ever heard of Mufasa?
Yeah. So, but yeah.
So we're meeting up with our family. In fact, we're gonna go pick them up. Don't know what that was. We're gonna go pick them up in a little bit and go to the Detroit has 3 main casinos.
Yes, there's
so,
MGM,
Greektown,
and then there's
Motor City.
We're gonna go to Greektown.
Yeah, because they have penny slots, and let's be honest, that's what I like playing.
Yeah. So
we're gonna go do that tonight. We had a barbecue today.
The sun is in my eyes. I'm sorry. Hi.
Sorry. Hi. Oh, just get right up in there.
Hi.
How's
How
it
are
going?
you?
So we had a barbecue today. Had an awesome time.
Yes.
It's so awesome to be able to spend time with your family. You know,
absolutely.
Especially the family that you don't see often.
Yeah.
So
because the family that's in town that came over today, they're from
South Carolina,
Kentucky, South Carolina, Georgia, and here.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a lot.
We had a good time.
It was so much fun. So much fun.
And so Cindy and Val had to work today, so we went to the mall with the family and we just hung out.
Wait a minute, we have something to tell you. So you guys have met Cindy's boyfriend before. Poor thing. Yesterday, him and Cindy went to play racquetball, and he sprung his ankle really, really bad.
He had to put a cast on it.
He's now on a cast, on crutches.
I went and picked up some crutches today for him.
Poor thing. So yeah, that's.
So if you can send some good
name's
vibes,
Alberto.
If you can send
some good vibes to Alberto, because poor thing,
truly appreciate
he's not having a good day right now.
No, he's not. But we're just gonna keep this short because I have to upload this before we go because I'm not sure if I'll be home by midnight. Hanging late tonight, and it's not even Friday.
Yes. Tomorrow's gonna be a late night too.
I know. Saturday's gonna be a late night.
Oh, wait a minute. Someone asked us if we've ever been to the hardcore pawn shop.
Yeah.
No, we have not.
But we might be tomorrow.
We might be tomorrow though, because that's where our family wants to go, which is fine. I mean, I've watched the show before, but I mean, it's it is what it is. But yeah, we might be going there soon. It's about 20-25 minutes
from us. Yeah.
From us, so
maybe that'll be in tomorrow's vlog. I think we're gonna go to Hitsville,
where
Michael Jackson filmed. So tomorrow's gonna be a Detroit tour.
Yes.
That's tomorrow's going to be vlog.
Yes.
Okay, so tune in for that.
Yes.
Hit that subscribe button. Why? Because we make videos every single day.
Every single one.
Roadie, say with us. Today I can do anything. Say it, believe it,
hey, we're
achieve
both wearing our
it.
shirts.
Hey, look at mine's the newer one. It says life is good, I want better. And Lisa
Mine's
says
the older one.
today I can do anything. Say it, believe it, achieve it, Roadies.
Indeed.
All right. With that being said, it's going to be it for today. We hope you had a wonderful day, Roadies. Guess we'll see you next.
Mañana. Bye.